Hi everyone, this is Harlis from SINOTRUK-Man. In this video, I will introduce the SINOTRUK-Man MC07 series of automotive engines. SINOTRUK Hangzhou Engine CO Limited was established in 1958 and produced China's first high-speed automotive diesel engine, the 6120 in 1965. In 1984, it fully introduced Austrian Steyr technology. Today, building on its decades of expertise in Steyr engine manufacturing, it has developed a series of high-performance automotive engines, including the WD615, WD615 and D10 series. In 2009, SINOTRUK partnered with Germany's MAN and introduced advanced engine technology, which has been localized into the MC series, such as MC07. The company has successfully built a world-class engine manufacturing system with production equipment and capabilities ranking among the best globally. The engine features an inline six-cylinder design with a compact overall structure. It covers displacements ranging from 7.36 liter, with 4x-stroke options of 108 mm by 125 mm, and has a net weight of approximately 640 kg. Rating power ranges from 190 kW to 254 kW. At rated speeds of 2,200 RPM, the MC07 engine features a high-strength design with a liner-less crankcase, integral cylinder head and broken connecting rod, enabling it to withstand higher burst pressures. By extensively using aluminum castings for the design, the weight has been reduced by 200 kg compared to domestic engines of the same power. The modular design of the oil filter and fuel filter reduces sealing components and leakage, making maintenance easier. It adopts a no-noise design technologies, including composite materials for the timing gear cover, a nylon cylinder head cover, effectively reducing operating noise. Advanced manufacturing technologies such as cylinder honing and connecting wire fracture splitting are applied to reduce oil consumption, extend engine life, and improve reliability. The standard MC07 series of automotive engines comes with the following accessories: fuel filter, starter motor, ECU, turbocharger, flywheel. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SINOTRUK-Man at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.SINOTRUK-Man.com.